ตังค์เลย แกจะข
บอก
อ
ว่า
ร้
เอ
อง ง
เป็นลุงโท
แก
นี่ไง
ไปเปลี่ยนชื่อเป็นแบบหญิงลีไหมมหาเทพเจ้าอ่ะ
All right. Good morning. How's everyone? Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning teacher
Good morning, teacher.
Oh, let me hear some good mornings. Good morning.
โอ้ย
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
Oh, I'm doing good too. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Good. So we have about 33 people today. Let's begin. A little bit behind. Let me mute everyone for now.
แต่เธอนั้นไม่หันมาโอ้
นี่อย่างวะ
You. Oh, there we go. Okay. Begin today. Let's take a look at here. All right. Says good morning. All right. Today's Tuesday. I think we know this cartoon, Tom and Jerry. Do we? Tom and Jerry. Okay. Last week we did expanding values. Expanding values. So we're gonna review homework today. And then we're gonna learn what are inequalities. How do we solve inequalities? So we're gonna do 3 things today, right? So last week I gave you homework on page 23 in our book, right? So let's take out our homework. I'm gonna take a look at our homework and check the answers. Okay, so page 23 in your book, page 23. If you don't have it, just keep looking on with me. Okay. All right, let's take a look at number 1. So we're going to look at expanded form. For number 1, we have 314,526. So we want to find out what is the missing ones here. What are the missing numbers here? So this 3 is in the 100,000s. So we have 300,000. So what should this number be? Right? What's missing here? What's missing here? Let me unmute everyone. Let me see if I can hear anyone. Okay. What do we think? What do we think this number is here? Right over here. What number? What does this 1 mean?
100
100. Are you sure? 300. So what is this? This is in the 10,000 place, right? So what is this number?
100,000
Not 100,000. 10,000. Very good. 10,000. Very good. 10,000. Going to write 10,000. Very good, right? So that 1 represents 10,000. So next we plus 4,000. Right? This 4 represents 4,000. Plus, what does this 5 mean? What does this 5 mean? It's in the hundreds. So it's 5. What is it? 5.
ล้าน
5.
89,900
Very good. 500. I heard 500. Good. Good. All right. Plus 20. Because this 2 represents 20. It's in the tens. And then plus, what is this last number? Plus. Very good. Plus 6. Awesome. Good. Okay. Next, number 2, we have 5,897,250. So the first number is missing already. First number. What does this 5 mean? It's in the millions, so it's 5. 5. It's in the millions. So what is it? 5. What do we think it is? 5. Does anyone know? It's in the millions. So it's 5. All right, I'll give it to you guys. 5 million. Right? Because it's in the millions place. Next, we have this 8, and we see it's 800,000. And then we have the 9 in the 10,000s, which is 90,000. Plus, and what is this 7? This 7 is in the thousands. So what does this 7 mean? 7 is in the thousands. Very good. 7,000. Good. Very good. So we already know this 2 is in the hundred. So we have 200 plus 50. So it's just a 0. So what do we write?
0.
Very good. We can just write a 0. But we really don't need to write anything sometimes. Okay. All right. Number 3. We have 26,169,000. Right? 26,169,000. So they didn't give us anything here. It's empty. So what does this 2 mean? What is this 2? It's in the 10 millions. So it's 20 million. 20 million. Plus, what does this 6 mean? It's in the millions, right? 6 million. Plus, what is this 1? It's in the 100,000s. 100,000. So it's 100,000 plus the 6 is in the 10,000s. So this 6 is 60,000 plus this 9 is, what is it? 9,000. Good. All right, so in expanded form, we have 20 million plus 6 million plus 100,000 plus 60,000 plus 9,000. All right, number 4, we have 9,076,501. So first number, what is this? 9 in the million. So 9 million. Plus, what is this? 7. What is this 7? It's in the 10,000s. So it's 70,000 plus 6 is in the thousands. So we're going to write 6,000 plus 5 is in the hundreds. So it's only 500. And the last number is the ones. It's only 1. So we plus 1. Okay. Good. Easy.
Easy.
Easy. Right? Easy. We're okay. Okay. Good. Good. Good.
Easy.
Everyone's good. Okay. Very good. Awesome.
เอาไหนมาเหรอ
All right. So number 5 from the homework. 52,248,970. Right? 52,248,970. So this 5, what does this 5 mean? What does this 5 mean?
พอเอาขึ้นเดี๋ยวพอโทรมาแล้วนะ
What does this 5 mean? This 5 is in the 10 millions, right? So this 5 represents 50 million plus, what does this 2 mean? It's in the millions again. So plus 2 million. Plus this 4, which is in the 10,000s place. Oh, sorry. Plus this 2, which is in the 200,000s place. Let me erase that. And then we're going to look at this 4, which is in the 10,000s, plus 40,000, plus the 8 is in the thousands, plus 8,000, plus this 9 in the hundreds, 900, and then the 7 is in the tens, so we plus 70. Okay, let me zoom out a bit. Go down just a bit. So number 6, we have 710,813,400, right? So number 7, the 7 is in the hundreds millions place, 100 millions place. So we're going to first write 700 million. Plus this 1 is in the 10 millions place. So we have 10 million. The next number is this 8, which is 800,000. Plus 800,000. Plus the next number, we have 1 in the 10,000s place. We plus 10,000. Next is the 3 in the thousands. So we're going to plus 3,000. And we have in the hundreds place is 4. So we're going to plus 400. And the last two are just 0, 0. So we don't need to write them at all. Okay. Good. Okay. 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 I see.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Awesome. Let me go down just a bit. Okay. Let's take a look at number 7. We have, so this time we want to find out what is this number right here. What is this number? We have 50 million plus 500,000 plus 5,000 plus 5. All right. So we're going to start off with the 50 mil with the 5. Right, this 5 right here. So we have 50 million. Next, we have 500,000. So we can just write 50 million. And then we have 500,000. And then next we have 5,000. And then the last one, we have 5. All right, so we have 50 million, the 500,000, the 5,000, we have the 5, the end of the number. Good. Okay. Next we have 300 million plus 8 million plus 900,000 plus 4,000 plus 60. So we're going to start off with the 300 million. It's just a 3. So we're going to write this 3 right here. I'm going to need a little bit more room. So 300 million. Then do we have a 10 million? No, we don't have a 10 million. So we're going to skip to the millions. So we're going to write a 0 for the 10 million. And then we have 8 for the millions. Then we have 100,000s, which is the 9. We don't have a 10,000, so we're going to write a 0. And we have a 4 for the thousands. We don't have a hundreds, so we're going to write a 0. And we have a 60. And we don't have a 1, so we're going to write a 0. Okay. Number 9, this one's really big. All right, so we have 1s, 10s, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 million, 100 millions, right? And here we have billions, right? Billions, billions. Okay. So we're going to take a look at the 7. The 7 is in the 10 billions. So I'm going to need more room, so I'm going to write this number here. So we're going to start with the 7. 7 billion. And we do have 100 millions right after. So we're going to write a 1. And we don't have a 10 million. So we're going to write a 3 after for the millions. So we do have 100,000s. We're going to write a 1. We don't have 10,000s. We're going to write a 0. We're going to write a 7 for the thousands. We don't have hundreds, so we're going to write a 0. We don't have 10s, so we're going to write a 0. And we have 1s, we're going to write an 8.
Okay.
So we end up getting 7,103,107,008. Right? This is the same as 7 billion plus 100 million plus 3 million plus 100,000 plus 7,000 plus 8. Right? The 7 is the 7 billion. This 1 is the 100 million. This 3 is the 3 million. This 1 is the 100,000. This 7 is the 7,000. This 8 is the 8. Okay. Easy. Okay.
Easy.
Okay. All right. So next part, I'm going to go down the page. So it says tick, check if the statement is true, right? True is the same as true is correct. Cross X if the statement is false, right? False is wrong. So here we have 6,089,751. Right? So this, so we're going to check this 6 million. Is this 6, right? So this part is correct. The 6 million is the same as 6. So we have no 100,000s. This 8 is the 80,000 right here. This 8 is this 8. This 9 is this 9,000. This 700 is this 700, this 7 right here. This 5 is the same as this 5, so it's 50. This 1 is the 1. So you're going to check correct. right? Because it's the same. It's the same. Take a look at number 2. We have 11,256,000. So 11 million plus 200,000 plus 50,000 plus 6,000. So 11 million, right? 11 million is equal to 11 million, right? So we have 11 million plus 200,000 is 2, plus 50,000 is 5, plus 6,000. So it is correct, but this is not the correct way. This 11 million, remember, we have to write differently. It's 11 million, right? Let me add an extra page, right? 11 million, right, has to turn into 10 million plus 1 million. All right, this is the correct way, right? This way is wrong. This way is correct. Okay, so we're expanded form. We have to write 10 million plus 1 million. Okay, 10 million plus 1 million. So here, for number 2, this one's wrong. Because of this 11 million. Okay, we have to write it a different way. Number 3, we have 934,777,000. Okay, so let's take a look. We have 900 million. It's 900 million. Then we have 34 million. And then we have 777,000. All right, again, we're going to take a look. All right, this is correct. This is wrong. This is wrong. All right, why? 34 million. Let me write it on another page. 34 million. How do we write it? 34 million has to be written as, let me unmute all of you. All right, 34 million, I have to write it as, I have to write it as 30 million
อันนั้นเห็นไหมไม่ได้3,400แล้วก็0อีก3ตัว
4
อะไรอ่ะ
million,
4
right? So I have to write it like that. That's the correct way to write it. 34 million is the same as 30 million plus 4 million. All right, and then we also have the 707,000, right? We have to write this as 700,000 plus 70,000 plus 7,000. All right, so this way is not correct. All right, so we have to write each number 900,000, 900 million, 30 million, 4 million, 700,000, 70,000, 7,000. So this way, this one's wrong. All right, here we have 2,700,000,024,000,000. We hit 2,724,000,000. So 2 billion, correct. This 2, correct. 2 billion. 7 700 million. It's in the 100 million. 700 million, correct. Right, so this is correct. Correct, correct. Next, we have this 2. 20 million, very good. This is in the 10 millions. So this is correct. 4, we have 4 million. 4 million, correct. So we're also going to write correct for this one. Okay. So we have correct, true, false, false, true. Okay. Good. Everyone's okay? Okay, easy, easy, easy. Okay.
ครูจะเลื่อนไปหน้าต่อไปแล้วเขาไม่ทำรั้วบ้านเลยเนาะต่อไป
All right. Did we finish? Wait.
อ๋อมันก็คือการบ้าน
Finish.
นี้ถึงขนาดนี้ไง
Finish. Finish.
แม่ว่า
Good.
ลองดูนะ
Finish. Good. 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 Right. Finish. Finish with this.
น้องควรจะต้องทำหน้า27
All right.
17
All right. Finish. Okay. Okay.
งา
Okay.
นนั้นเริ่มจากหน้าตาขึ้นมากับหน้า
All right. Seems like we're all okay.
บ้าน
All right. Good. All right. The second sheet I sent you on Friday. On Friday. Take a look. Second sheet I sent you on Friday. Okay. It says write the expanded form. 390,123. We're going to go over this pretty quickly since we did a lot of practice. So this 3 represents 300,000. Plus, what is this 9? This 9 represents 90,000.
มาด้วย
So we have no thousands place, no thousands place. So the next number is 1. So this 1 represents 100. And this 2 is in the 10, so we're going to plus 20. And this 3 is in the 1, so we're going to plus 3. Okay? Good. All right. Next, we have 29,593. So this 2 represents 20,000. So what is this 9? What is this 9? Let me hear everyone. What is this 9? What do I write right here? 9. 9,000. Very good. 9,000. All right. This 5 represents 500. Plus this 9. What is this 9 right here? In the 10. 90. Very good. Next, I have 800,000. 801. So this 8 is 800,000. No 10,000. No thousands. What is the next number? This 8 is 800 plus 1. Very good. Very good. Very good. All right. This 4. Number 4. We have 700,000. 703,102. So very good. 700,000 plus 3,000 plus, what is this 1? 100. Very good. Very good. And then we have nothing for the 0 and plus 2. Good. Good. Number 5. We have 49,193. This 4 is 40,000. What's the next number? This 9. What is this 9? 9. 9. Do it right. 9. Very good. 9,000 plus 100 plus, what is this 9 again? We'll do it right here. 90. Very good. Very good. Awesome. We keep going down. Number 6. 51,028. 51,028. So I have 50,000 for the 5. What is this 1? It's in the thousands. That's all right. 50,000 plus 1. 1. That's all right. 1,000 plus. We have no 0 there, so we write nothing. What is this 2? What is this 2? 20. Very good. Plus 20 plus 8. Good. Let's go down to number 7. Number 7, we have 300,000 plus 3,000 plus 300 plus 3. So we're just going to write this 3 representing for the 100,000s. So this 3 represents the 300,000s. We have no 10,000, so we're going to write a 0. We do have 1,000, so we're going to write a 3. So do we have 100s? Yes, we do. We're going to write a 3 for the 300. We have no 10, so we're going to write a 0. And we have a 1, so we're going to write a 3. Next one's pretty easy. We have 4,000 plus 40 plus 4. We're going to write the 4 first for the 4,000s. We have no hundreds, so we're going to write a 0. We do have a 10, so we're going to write a 4. We do have a 1, so we're going to write a 4. Okay. So we have 4,044. 4,000 plus 40 plus 4 is the same. All right, good. Good. Looks okay. Good. I see everyone. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Awesome. There we go. All right, next one. Number 9. I have 2 million plus 50,000 plus 2,000 plus 30 plus 1. 2 million. We're going to write the 2 and then 2 millions place. Do we have 100,000s? No. We have 10,000s? Yes, we do. We have 50,000. Do we have thousands? Yes, we do. We have a 2,000. Do we have hundreds? No, we don't. We're going to write a 0. We have 10s? Yes, we do. We have a 3. Do we have 1s? Yes, we do. We have a 1. So we have 2,052,031. Right? 2,050,000. It's 2,000. It's 30. And this 1. All right. Number 10, we have 90,000 plus 50 plus 3. So we have 90,000. Do we have thousands? No, we don't. Do we have hundreds? No, we don't. We have 10s. Do we have 1s? We have a 3. So we have 90,000 plus 50 plus 3 is the same as 90,053. Number 11, we have 5,070,000 plus 40 plus 3. So we have millions, 5. We don't have 100,000. We do have 10,000. We don't have thousands. Do we have hundreds? No, we don't. We have 10s. We're going to write a 4. And we have 1s. So we have 5 million, plus 70,000 plus 40 plus 3, which is 5,070,043. Number 12, we have 600,000 40,000, 2,000 plus 2,000 plus 100 plus 2. So we have 600,000. We're at 6. Do we have 10,000? Yes, we do. We have a 4. Do we have thousands? We do. We have a 2. Do we have hundreds? Yes, we do. We have a 1. Do we have tens? No, we don't. We write a 0. And we have ones. We write a 2. Number 13, we have 7 million plus 30,000 plus 400 plus 9. So we have 7 million. We're going to write a 7 first. Do we have 100,000s? No. We have 10,000s. Yes. We have thousands? No. We have 4 for hundreds. 400. We have 0 for tens. We have 9 for ones. All right. Number 14, we have 50,000 plus 5,000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 5. All right, so 50,000. We have a 5 for 10,000. We have a 5 for thousands. We have a 5 for hundreds. We have a 5 for tens. We have a 5 for ones. Okay, good, easy.
So easy.
So easy. So easy. Okay. Number 15, we have 9 million plus 200,000 plus 3,000 plus 3. So 9 million, we're going to write the 9. We have 100,000. So we're going to write 2. We don't have 10,000. We do have thousands. We're going to write this 3. We don't have hundreds. We don't have tens. We do have ones. We're going to write a 3. Okay. All right, number 16, we have 30,000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 3. We're going to write this 30,000. We have no thousands. We have hundreds, 300. We do have tens. And we do have ones. Number 17, we have 6 million plus 400,000 plus 2,000 plus 30 plus 2. So this 6 million, we're going to write 6 million. We do have 100,000, so we're going to write 4. We don't have 10,000, we're going to write a 0. We do have thousands, we're going to write 2. We don't have hundreds, we're going to write a 0. We do have tens, we're going to write 3. We do have ones, we're going to write a 2. Okay. Number 18, we have 80 million plus 700,000 plus 900 plus 1. So we're going to write this 8 here. We don't have millions, so we're going to write a 0. We do have 100,000s, we're going to write a 7. We don't have 10,000, we're going to write a 0. We don't have thousands, we're going to write a 0. We do have 100, so I do need to erase this for a bit. We do have hundreds, we're going to write a 0. We don't have tens, we're going to write a 0. We do have ones, we're going to write a 1. So we have 80,700,901. All right. Good.
Good. Easy. Easy.
Easy.
Easy.
All right. So today is quite easy. All right. We're going to look at comparing inequalities. All right. Comparing inequalities. Inequalities. All right. Inequalities. All right. So when we compare numbers, the big on the mouth, big, right? Big. And we have small on this side. And we have small. And then we have big. All right, so it looks like a mouth, right? Let me show you a picture. It's like a mouth, right? All right, so 4 is bigger than 3, right? Or we can say 4 is greater than 3, right? You can say this. 4 is greater than 3, right? 4 is greater than 3. So we always want to see like this, right? It looks like a mouth and it looks like it wants to eat the bigger number, right? Right? This wants to eat the bigger number, right? Always wants to eat the bigger number. So that's where it's going to face, the bigger number. This sign will always face the bigger number. So we can say 4 is greater than 3. What about the next one? Right, so we have 5 and 8. 5 and 8. Right, so here, the mouth will face the 8, right? Because this mouth wants to eat the number 8. Right, it wants to eat it, right? It wants to eat the bigger number. So here we can say 5 is less than 8, right? All right, I'm gonna mute you guys for a second. So here we can say 5 is less than 8, right? Because 5 is smaller than 8, right? 5 is smaller than 8, right? Or we can say 5 is less than 8 because this wants to eat the number 8. We have to think about it like a alligator, shark. It wants to eat the bigger number. Always wants to eat the bigger number. It's hungry for the bigger number. Right here, it wants to eat number 4 because 4 is greater than 3. Here it wants to eat the number 8 because 5 is less than 8. Okay, so what if we compare simple numbers? We just did very easy stuff, right? So what if I write 1 compared to, sorry. 1 and we have 12, right? What is in the middle? What should I write in the middle? Sorry about that. Okay, so what should I write in the middle? Which one's bigger? Let me hear from everyone. Which one is bigger? Which one is bigger, 1 or 12? Which one bigger? Which one's big? 1 or 12? 12 is bigger, right? 12 is bigger. So we're going to write them out on that side, right? Because 12 is bigger. 12 is bigger. Because this only has 1's place. This has a 10's place. The next one. What if I write a different number? I write 12, 123, and I write 1,234. Right? Which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? 123 or 1,234? Which one is bigger? 1,234 is bigger because why? Because here we have thousands, right? We have thousands. Here we have 3, right? Here we have 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 3, right? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? We have 1s, 10s, 100s, and thousands, right? We have the 1 extra place. Here is only 1, 2, 3. We have 1s, 10s, 100s. So automatically this side is bigger. All right. So in your book, page 25, page 25 in your book, page 25.
ชื่อดำฟ้าแล้วหมดเวลาแล้วนะ
25. 2 more minutes. Give me 2 minutes. All right, 2 more minutes. Page 25. Page 25. Page 25.
หมดเวลาแล้วอ่ะ
Homework. All right. Homework. All right. For homework, let's try number 1 together. All right. Number 1.
ไม่ต้องสนใจมัน
All right. You're going to check
ไปล้าง
correct
เมื่อกี้
if it's
กูจี้ออกไปยังไม่ยุ่งเลย
You're going to put an X if it's wrong, right? So 333,333 is bigger than 44,444. So we already know it's correct because here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, here we have 5. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. Right? So this has 6 places. This has ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. This has an extra number. This only have 10,000. So this is correct because the mouth wants to eat the 333,333. Next one, we have 1,000,009. 1,000,009 is smaller than 900,000. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's only 6. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 places, right? So is 900,000 bigger than 1,000,009? No, right? No, right? No. So we're going to put an X. No. Okay. No. Number 3. We're going to write 5,055,055 and 55. 5,055 is greater than 5,000,005. So we see 5 million. How many do we see? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 and 7. Same, right? Same. So we're going to look at 5 million. Same. 0, 0. Same. 0, 0. Same. 0, 0. Same. 0, 0. Same. 5. 5. Right? Let's take a look. Let me. Right. This 5 and this is 0. Right? Not the same, right? So this 5 is bigger than the 0. So this is correct. It does want to eat the bigger one. We're going to write check. All right. Homework. Homework. Okay. Homework. Pay attention. Homework. 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 Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Okay. Right. Homework. Page 25. Right. Homework. Page 25. Number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Easy. 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 Okay. Okay, awesome.
ตรงนั้นแล้วนะตรงยาสำลีมันชอบตรงพี่เนี่ยเอาผ้ามาปิดบังไว้
Good
ได้
for today.
เนี่ย
Have a good day, okay?
แล้ว
All
ก็
right.
ปิดหน้าต่าง
Bye-bye. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. All right. You guys have time.
เหรอนี่
Okay. Bye-bye.
ออกเลยเหรอ X เลยเหรอ
นักเรียนเล่นคนเอาที่เชื่อแตงโมไหมคะได้ยินตอบมาหน่อย
กดออกเลย
ที่
ใช่
เชื่อ
ไหม
แตงโม
คะ
โอ้โห
การบ้าน
เฮ้ย29โอ้โห
ถึง29เลยเหรอ
ได้ยินไหม
เนี่ย
อืม
นักเรียนขาต่อไปวิชา
เรามาไปงานนี้ไหนคะ
ไม่ได้ดู
น่ารักมากเลยค่ะไปมีผมก่อนนะชนะดูบัตร
แล้วปกติวิชาหนึ่งอยู่นะ
ดูตรงนี้ไปเลยบอกไปดู